Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Amir and you're watching my YouTube channel JoyTech. Today in this tutorial I will tell you how you can set up a screen time on your TikTok accounts. On these days, once we are starting using social media, scrolling at our mobiles, we cannot observe that how much time we have spent, and in this scenario sometimes we miss out the very important things or work. So in this video I will show you how you can manage your screen time on your TikTok accounts. So let's start today's topic. Firstly, open your TikTok account. Now tap at your profile. Now tap at three horizontal lines. Now tap at settings and privacy. Now scroll it up until you see screen time. Tap at screen time. Appears my screen. You can see a different options: daily screen time breaks, sleep reminders. Now choose any of them according to your time work. For example, I am selecting screen time break. Appears my screen. You can see schedule break up to 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes or custom time. For example, I am trying to maintain 20 minutes screen time. Like this, you can easily pick up your screen time at your TikTok accounts. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too. And if you have any question related this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.